Hello viewers, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Good morning. Today in this video, I will describe a magnificent story based on an incident between Akbar and Birbal. About these two personalities, you might have noticed that I have uploaded one or two story and in making that story or describing that plot, I give my best effort to make the viewers understand the description of that particular story. So give your proper concentration to understand this new story so that you stay away from all confusion and doubt and focused only the contour of this story supposed to be described by me through this video. Actually, one day Akbar was roaming in his garden, a enormous garden, and he was worried about a question. And the question was that who was the most cleverest man in his court? In his court, who was the man with great reasoning ability and with the capacity that can solve any problem using the power of mind. It was the question of Akbar, and Birbal noticed this that his master is in distress and in trouble. That's why Birbal went to him and asked him why he is in trouble and what is haunting him and what is the reason behind his unavoidable circumstances. Immediately, Akbar replied that actually I want to know the answer of an interrogation. My interrogation is who is the most cleverest man in my court. Immediately, Birbal replied after listening to what Akbar said. Birbal said that Your Majesty, you can make a test among the courtiers in your pavilion to find out the man with great reasoning ability and with the capacity and who is the most cleverest man in your court. According to the suggestion of Birbal, that was provided to Akbar. Akbar thought for a while and said, "It is a great idea, Birbal, what you have said," and suggested me, "Let's make a test. You will also be there to find out the man with extreme, extreme capacity or reasoning ability and extreme amount of cleverness. So I'm sorry for my poor camera quality. Actually, my camera is not fascinating or dignified. So I'm sorry for this. I forgive. I am asking for forgiveness from all of you. On that time, Birbal asked and Akbar recommended all his courtiers to attend in the pavilion, and all the courtiers, as per the recommendation of Akbar, presented themselves there. And Birbal and Akbar on that time take a chalk from the table, and on the floor of the pavilion he draw a line and asked all his courtiers that who is among you. I'm sorry, a bike was coming to disturb me. Sorry for this, and I lost my concentration. I am making this video standing in a street. Akbar said all his courtiers without touching this line. Is there anyone from you who can make it shorter and who can reduce this line? Reduce this line which had been drawn by me on the floor. Then all his courtiers thought that it is all his courtiers in reply to the interrogation of Akbar. Some of the courtiers said, actually, Your Majesty, it is quite impossible and it is quite difficult to reduce the size of the line that was designed by you on the floor without touching it. And some of the courtiers gave up that we couldn't do it. It is not possible to reduce the line, and that was drawn by you and or designed by you on the floor. Birbal was the last one from the court who left for give a trial to reduce that line. On that time, Akbar said that Birbal, everyone gave up and everyone surrendered. They can't solve this problem represented by me in front of them. Then Birbal took a pause. I'm sorry, again a tractor is coming to to disturb me. I'm really very much sorry. It will destroy my blog. Please talk to me, please. Let's speak till then, until this track passes. I'm extremely sorry. I'm still hesitation. Let the track passes. Oh brother, you disturb me. What you have done in my blog? Sorry for this. Birbal immediately asked for the chalk from Akbar, and taking the chalk, a good chalk, a purified, fascinating chalk that is good in quality. It was taken from Akbar. Birbal went to the pavilion, and going to the appearing in the pavilion, Birbal what Birbal drawn the line more than in size that was drawn by Emperor Akbar, and everyone presented in the pavilion were surprised and astonished and thrilled very much that what a mistake made by us. We just have to increase the size of the line, and the problem would be solved. And Akbar on that time, seeing and observing and appearing in the zone of solving problems, the capacity of Birbal, Akbar was also surprised that what a unique quality and extreme cleverness Birbal has possessed. It surprised and it extremely fascinated Akbar most. Then this is how the problem got solved by Birbal, and I'm sorry for this. I feel tired today also. So tell me and let me know how you liked this video. Thank you. Meet you in the next video.